Welcome to Accelerate Wealth Building, your ultimate resource for smart investing, passive income, and financial freedom. Subscribe to accelerate your financial journey. Let's get started. Building wealth is not about luck, inheritance, or sudden windfalls. It is about consistently practicing smart financial habits that compound over time. Many people dream of financial freedom, yet few take the necessary steps to develop the habits that can turn that dream into reality. The truth is, financial success is not determined by how much money you make, but by how well you manage, grow, and protect the money you have. The first and most crucial habit of financially successful people is learning to live below their means. This means spending less than you earn, avoiding unnecessary expenses, and resisting the urge to upgrade your lifestyle every time your income increases. Many individuals fall into the dangerous cycle of lifestyle inflation. When their earnings rise, so do their expenses. They upgrade their cars, move into bigger homes, dine at expensive restaurants, and accumulate luxury items, all under the illusion that these purchases reflect financial success. However, the wealthiest people understand that true financial security comes not from how much money you earn, but from how much you save and invest. They make conscious spending decisions, prioritize needs over wants, and adopt a frugal yet fulfilling lifestyle. Living below your means does not mean depriving yourself. It simply means being mindful of your spending and ensuring that your financial future is secure. This habit creates a financial cushion that allows you to save, invest, and grow your wealth over time. The second essential habit of the wealthy is making their money work for them through consistent investing. Many people believe that investing is complicated or risky, which causes them to delay or avoid it altogether. However, the reality is that the sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compound interest. Compound interest is often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world because it allows even small amounts of money to grow exponentially over time. Consider this example. If you invest just $200 a month in an index fund with an average annual return of 8%, in 40 years, you will have accumulated over $500,000. Now imagine if you increased that investment amount or started even earlier. The potential for wealth creation is enormous. Wealthy individuals do not let their money sit idly in a bank account earning minimal interest. They actively put it to work in income-generating assets such as stocks, real estate, bonds, and businesses. They understand that investing is not about timing the market, but about time in the market. By consistently investing, regardless of market fluctuations, they allow their wealth to grow steadily over time. Moreover, they diversify their investments to minimize risk and maximize returns, ensuring that their money is working for them even when they are not actively earning. Another important habit that the rich swear by is automating their savings and investments. Many people struggle to save because they prioritize their spending first and only save what is left over at the end of the month. However, this approach rarely works because there's always something to spend money on. The wealthy take the opposite approach. They pay themselves first. This means that before they pay bills, before they make discretionary purchases, they set aside a portion of their income for savings and investments. The easiest way to do this is by automating your finances. By setting up automatic transfers from your paycheck to your savings or investment accounts, you eliminate the temptation to spend that money. This habit ensures that saving becomes a priority rather than an afterthought. Automating your finances also removes the need for constant decision-making, making it easier to stay consistent. Many people think they lack the discipline to save, but the truth is, they just need a system in place that makes saving effortless. Wealthy individuals use this strategy to build their net worth passively over time, allowing them to accumulate wealth without having to constantly think about it. In addition to automating their savings, rich individuals develop the habit of budgeting and tracking their expenses. Many people underestimate the importance of knowing exactly where their money is going each month. Without a clear budget, it is easy to overspend on non-essential purchases and fail to reach financial goals. Budgeting does not mean restricting yourself. It means having a clear understanding of your income, expenses, and financial priorities. Wealthy individuals track their spending meticulously to ensure that their money is being used effectively. They identify areas where they can cut costs and reallocate funds towards savings and investments. For example, many people spend hundreds of dollars each month on coffee, dining out, or subscription services without realizing how much these small expenses add up over time. By tracking their spending, they can make informed decisions about where to cut back and redirect that money toward wealth-building activities. With modern budgeting apps and financial tools, managing money has never been easier. By regularly reviewing their budgets and adjusting their financial plans accordingly, wealthy individuals maintain full control over their financial future. Another critical habit of wealthy individuals is continuously finding ways to increase their income. While saving is important, the ability to build wealth is significantly enhanced when you focus on growing your earnings. They understand that financial security is not just about saving money, but also about expanding their income streams to create a stable and abundant financial future. One financial habit that can make or break your path to wealth is how you manage debt. The rich understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. Bad debt, such as credit card debt, payday loans, and unnecessary car loans, can trap people in a cycle of financial struggle due to high interest rates and continuous repayments. On the other hand, good debt, such as borrowing for real estate investments, funding a business, or financing education that leads to higher earnings, can be a tool for wealth creation when used wisely. The key is to avoid unnecessary debt and focus on leveraging debt strategically for long-term financial gain. Many wealthy individuals use debt as a tool to acquire assets that appreciate in value, such as rental properties or profitable businesses, while avoiding consumer debt that drains their wealth. By being mindful of debt and using it wisely, you can avoid financial pitfalls and set yourself up for long-term success. Finally, one of the most important habits of wealthy individuals is continuous financial education. Money management is a lifelong learning process, and those who become rich are always seeking ways to improve their financial knowledge. They read books about investing in personal finance, follow successful investors, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, and stay informed about economic trends. The more you learn, the better equipped you will be to navigate financial challenges and make decisions that lead to long-term prosperity. By consistently practicing these 7 money habits, living below your means, investing early and regularly, automating savings, budgeting wisely, increasing your income, managing debt strategically, and continuously educating yourself, you can set yourself on a path to financial freedom. Wealth is built through discipline, smart decisions, and a commitment to long-term financial health. No matter where you start, it is never too late to develop these habits and take control of your financial destiny. Thank you for watching. Enjoyed this video? Subscribe for more proven strategies on wealth building, passive income, and smart investing. Comment your thoughts below, and we'll see you next time.